Hello there! Today I finally got the lightsaber that I wanted for a long time. I mean, I at least hope it is the one that I wanted for a long time, because I got like 3 lightsabers on the way and I'm really not sure which one this one is. But I finally got the box. I had to bully a FedEx employee today. Well, like, not really, but they sort of fucked up the delivery. Obviously they said that it couldn't be delivered and I wasn't home. But I was home. I'm always home. I have no friends and no social life, so obviously I was home, and they didn't call. They didn't ring the bell, they didn't do anything, they probably wasn't even here. So I had to track the order and sort of like bully them with phone calls to finally get this box with a lightsaber in it, I hope. So let's review it, let's see what's inside. So let's open the box. Up. It's way harder to do this than it looks. We sort of open the box. I'm just gonna cut it and make it look like I open it in one go. And let's see the actual Saber Theory case. So the case itself is pretty neat. No Saber Theory logo this time. Anyway, it looks very cool. It has a handle and 2 locks. I'm just gonna quickly open them. Okay, so yeah. That's him. That's the hilt I've been waiting for so long. Just look at that beauty. For those of you who don't know which hilt is this one, it's Stellan Gios. He was a Jedi Master during the High Republic era. If anyone hasn't read the books or the comics, I highly recommend that because they are so fun. And also his lightsaber hilt is such a unique design. I really love those like side blades. It's sort of similar to Kylo Ren's. I'll show you in a bit why, but this is just a more elegant and unique design, especially the color combination, because I'm a sucker for black, gold and silver. It's also fairly long, that's what she said. And oh yeah, so this seems to be a problem here. The hilt probably came in a little bit fucked up from the delivery, but I'm pretty sure that Saber Theory will fix it for me. Anyway, this is the only like flaw this thing has. The other one is perfectly fine. Anyway, as I said, the hilt itself is pretty long. Stellan often used a 2-hand grip. And this is something that I really like about the saber, because the other sabers, they are fairly difficult to hold and swing with both hands or one hand, and this one just has the nice grip to it. So this is the hilt. It also has these 2 side blades. It's just a like glass or plastic that you can screw right in, or it's gonna take me a little bit because I'm not very good at it. The side guards can do this, so you can either choose to have it like this or extend it fully, which alright, so now we have the side blades on. This is what it looks like. I'll just sort of quickly ignite it to see how it will look. Yeah, alright, so there isn't much light to it, even though it's like a daylight here, so I'll try a little bit later. But I was sort of hoping for it to be a little bit brighter, like the blade. I really don't understand why they would choose to just like make it transparent. Why not do the blade material? Because if you compare it to the blade, which is also part of the box, all Saber Theory lightsabers come with the blade. You don't have to buy a new one or another one. So this is the blade. It's a Profi NeoPixel version. This is the thing that connects to the connectors here. So I sort of don't understand why they chose to make it transparent instead of like white, or at least like a base slit, like a tube, because it would glow better. This is just, I don't know, it's sort of giving bad light. I'm not really happy with this design. Otherwise, the hilt looks fantastic. These are just my two nitpicks. So the blade, as I said, it's not made for dueling. If you want dual lightsabers, your best option is to go with baselets or NeoPixels or Xenopixels that are made for dueling, especially. But yeah, this is the blade. It's heavier than the baselit lightsaber version. Then we have this longer Allen wrench, which is really nice. You have like the longer side and the short side. Then you have a flash card with instructions, which is nice if you are new to lightsabers and don't know what to do with it, don't know how the buttons work, and so on and so on. This will give you some ideas. Then we have the screws for the blade and another Allen wrench that is smaller. I don't really like to use this one. Then we have the lightsaber stand. I'll just quickly show you how it looks like when it's assembled. The assembled version, you can sort of put the lightsaber right here and have it stand on its own. Well, some models are way harder to make it stand on, but yeah, this is nice. So this was the stand, and oh yeah, now we have the charger. This is just a charger cable with, also you can connect it to the PC with this one. And to get to the charger port, because it's not really outside of the hilt on this one, you have to unscrew it. So this is the end of the hilt. This is when you want to connect the lightsaber to your PC. If you want to change the blade fonts or sound fonts. But this right here, this is the charger hole, the entry port for the charge cable. Also, disclaimer: if you decide to connect the lightsaber to your PC, remove the battery, because otherwise it might get fried and that would mean an end to your lightsaber. So yeah, remove the battery. I'll just screw it in. And what else do we have here? Oh yeah, okay. So this is the blade plug. It's used to cover the electronics inside the hilt, so there's no dust on them if you don't use it for a longer time. It can also glow, as you can see here. Yeah, this is super cool. Always love a good blade plug.
Asian royalty. You'll never find anyone like me. I am Lemon. The dark side, my master.
I am no Jedi.
Dark wolf. You and I will be working much more closely from now on. You will be Empress. We will be one.
God.
The Force will be with you. Always.
So that is all from today's review. If you liked it or find it useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and let me know in the comments which lightsaber font did you like the most. And see you next time!